Today, I'll show you how to change font in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file you want to edit. Once the PDF is open, look for the Edit PDF tool. You may see it on the right side of the screen. If not, click Tools, then choose Edit PDF. After the Edit PDF tool opens, Acrobat will show editable text boxes around the text in your document. Click the text you want to change. Now highlight the words, sentence, or paragraph where you want to change the font. On the right side, you should see formatting options. Look for the Font drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and choose the font you want to use. For example, you can choose a standard font like Arial, Times New Roman, Helvetica, or another font installed on your computer. You can also change the font size, text color, spacing, and alignment from the same panel. If the text does not change properly, the PDF may have been created from a scan or image. In that case, Acrobat may need to recognize the text first. Go to Tools, then choose Scan and OCR. Use the text recognition option, then go back to Edit PDF and try changing the font again. Also remember that some fonts may not be available unless they are installed on your computer. If Acrobat cannot find the original font used in the PDF, it may replace it with a similar font. After changing the font, review the page carefully. Make sure the text still fits inside the layout and does not overlap with other content. When everything looks correct, click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original file unchanged, choose Save As and save a new copy. So, to keep it simple, open your PDF, choose Edit PDF, select the text, pick a new font from the formatting panel, adjust the size if needed, and save the file. And that's how you change font in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.